Welcome back to Mac and PC Prime Video. Today I'm going to show you if we install and launch Avid Pro Tools on a desktop PC or laptop. That relies solely on an internal sound card. An audio device error will occur, preventing Pro Tools from opening. As you can see here, this is the specific error message that appears. How do we resolve this issue? If you open your web browser and type ASIO for all, you will be directed to the corresponding website. Download and install the software from there. Afterward, restart your system. Now, open Avid Pro Tools. Avid Pro Tools will launch. Then, go to Setup, Playback Engine. Select the ASIO for all audio interface and click OK. After that, you must close and then reopen Avid Pro Tools. Avid Pro Tools is now working correctly. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and please give this video a like. Thank you, goodbye. See you in the next video.